What is Access the Benefit Sharing? ABS. Why in the news? What is Access and Benefit Sharing? ABS. Access and Benefit Sharing is a framework under the Convention on Biological Diversity that ensure fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the use of biological resources, plants, animals, microbes, and associated traditional knowledge. Benefits are shared with local communities and indigenous groups who have conserved these resources for generations. India implements ABS through the Biological Diversity Act 2002 and the newly notified 2025 regulations. But why in news? National Biodiversity Authority has notified the Biological Diversity and Regulation 2025, which updates India's ABS framework. Key regions for its provenance, sticker, and clearer benefit sharing rules for industries. Inclusion of digital sequence information, closing loopholes in genetic resource usage, alignment with global standards, boost for sustainable use of biodiversity while protecting indigenous rights. Third one is key features of the 2025 regulation. A turnover based benefit sharing expectation. Companies with a turnover below 5 crore expect slab system 5 to 50 crores is 0.2% turnover, 50 to 250 crore 0.4%, above 250 crore 0.6%. Mandatory filling entities earning above 1 crore must submit annual usage reports. B. Digital sequence information including earlier only physical biological resources were covered. Now genetic data is included. C. Expectations for cultivated plants notified by MOEFCC plus AYUS Ministry or except to promote farming over wild harvesting. D. Higher benefit sharing for high value species 5 to 20% of proceeds from red sandalwood, agarwood, and threatened spices. E. IPR disclosure mandate. Patent IPR applicants must disclose biological resource usage and share benefits. F. Benefit distribution 10 to 15% retained by NBA. 85 to 90% goes to local communities via biodiversity management communities. Fourth one, significance of new regulation closes regulatory gaps included DSI ensuring genetic data is not exploited freely. Industry clarity, clear turnover slabs help business a plan compliance, support sustainable practices, encourages cultivation over wild harvesting of medical plants, protects indigenous rights, ensure fair compensation for traditional knowledge holders. Global alignment follows COP16 outcomes, reinforcing India's commitment to biodiversity conservation. Conclusion: the 2025 ABS regulation strengthens India's biodiversity governance by ensuring equitable benefit sharing, transparency for industries, and protection of traditional knowledge. It balances economic use with conservation and community rights.